Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make Dress to Impress a little bit more challenging. So I cannot take off any item on this game. Alright, so what's the theme? Please let it be easy. Dream job. Okay, that's quite easy actually. So I cannot take off anything once I put it on. Oh dear. Okay, I guess we'll use the first toggle. That is horrible, bro. Like, no lie. I can't take it off. No. I want to take it off so bad. Wait, what about the huge one? Oh my god, that's even worse. And here is the final outfit. I didn't really change anything from it. Let's do a pose. Let's do a sleeping pose. And then let's do the belly flop. Alright. Alright. Okay. And then this one's pretty cool, but like, I mean, for this one I really think I did not win because I was just lazy and my dream job was to sleep. I actually really liked her outfit. Their outfit was questionable, so, and this one's a little bit creepy. Like, imagine your dream job being a murderer. Like, no. Anyways, that is it for this video. You should try it yourself if you got on board with like the themes or the gameplay. You can add in some pizzazz to it, of course. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.